lost my phone on the bus this morning. Got the job. How was your day? I got the job. I got the job. I got the job. I got the job.
I will lay down.
I got the job. I got the job. I got the job.
Al. Distracted. I'm gonna be honest with you. Of the countless resumes we received over the past couple weeks, this is one of the more diverse. Do you have any industry experience of any kind?
Well, Mr. Neal, the advertisement that was listed made this position seem entry level.
Well, it seems you have lots of experience with people. What do you know about human resources? That is why you're here, isn't it? Al, do you know why you are here?
Why I'm here? Well, after the recent merger, my previous place of employment was dissolved. I'm here because as of now, this is the best option for me. Not to mention, you're some of the only people in town hiring.
I see. I do. Al, modern business is failing. You know that. Fact is, most of the world isn't ready to adapt to the changes we've had to face. Here at Marks, we embrace the future. We adapt. Have you put much thought in your career path here, Al? What I mean is, where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years. 5 years. Okay, they asked me this question at my last job, too. This morning it was quiet enough to leave a window open. That was kind of nice. My girlfriend was glued on me all night because we don't have heat working in the place right now. She's pretty mad about that, so we haven't really been talking, but we still wake up like that every morning. I don't really know what to think of it. She got me a DVD for my birthday. A cartoon for that matter. I didn't think I wanted anything until after I saw it. She's really good about that kind of stuff.
My daughter made me a card too. She's not really talking to me right now either. I forgot to feed her fish. She's a really good artist too. I'm amazed by her. So it figures I got Life in Hell because sometimes she reminds me of Bongo. You ever watch that show? Well, he was always my favorite. She's a little younger than he is, but like I said, she's smart.
She loves me. Things have been so chaotic lately. I guess it's easy to forget that. So we watched the DVD. My girlfriend got up and made breakfast. We all spent the morning together and took the bus here.
That's all great, Al. You're very lucky. But you still haven't answered my question.
Well, I guess the way I understand your question is, what are your ambitions? And as of now, mine's home. Honestly, I don't have any real plans for myself in 5 years. But for now, I plan to get a job and hopefully get home tonight before my kid's in bed. Mr. Neal? Mr. Neal! Look, I'm not trying to waste your time. I'm sorry I can't give you a baseline idea for myself, but if there is one thing I can tell you, I am very, very adaptable.
Grab one of those stacks of paper. I have a feeling you'll fit in nicely here.
So what is the job?
Advertisement. We'll start you off on our ground floor, filing paperwork. From there, with little time, we'll find a more substantial career path for you. In this business, Al, we thrive on 3 things: positivity, efficiency, and above all, work ethic. If you want to truly be part of our community here, you will be expected from time to time to bring your work home with you. Is that understood?
Yes, I understand completely, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. I won't let you down.
Eat something. I tried calling you today. Didn't know if you were gonna be back for dinner.
I lost my phone on the bus this morning. Got the job.
I know. You told me that already.
How was your day? You put this on?
Cable's out.
This came out when I was your age. I used to stay up late to watch it on school nights.
Can I stay up late too then?
Let me watch it with you.
Okay. So when's school coming back?
I don't know. I work construction